welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 4th of October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi paid tributes to Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary. After 8 years of hard work, India's Mangalyaan runs out of fuel, a report said. Bihar's Agriculture Minister Sudhakar Singh resigned. President Murmu paid tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. CBI made social media debut ahead of Interpol General Assembly. Don't ignore communication from top security agencies, PM2 ministers. Organs of Delhi AIMS official sister saved 4 lives. Indigo got bomb threat on email, turns out hoax. Police file case. Rain over next 3 days may dampen Durga Puja festivities in Bengal. And now some international news. On Gandhi's birth anniversary, UN chief urged people to shun violence. US, Japan, Australia vow to work together against China. Germany to give Ukraine air defense system after calls to step up support. Huge avalanche hit Nepal's Manaslu base camp. Should have laid ground better. UK's Liz Truss admitted tax cuts misstep. Ukraine town completely cleared of Russian troops. Vladimir Zelensky. Pak ex-PM Imran Khan got pre-arrest bail in contempt case. And now news related to sports. Indonesia stadium stampede a tragedy beyond comprehension, FIFA president. Kylian Mbappe comes off bench to steer PSG to victory after Lionel Messi special. La Liga, Barcelona edge Mallorca to top league. Atletico dominated Sevilla. World Table Tennis Championship, India men's team stunned world number 2 Germany. National Games 2022. Fencer Bhavani Devi won hat-trick of gold medals. Now news related to business. GST collections up 26% to over rupees 1.47 lakh crore in September. UPI transactions up over 3% at 678 crore in September. Tata Motors total domestic sales up 44% at 80,633 units in September. Vodafone Idea ready to be part of 5G revolution, Kumar Mangalam Birla. India's unemployment rate dropped to 6.43% in September, a report said. Can't afford to lose bankruptcy laws, Sheen, Nirmala Sitharaman. Inflation at manageable level, said Finance Minister. And now news related to science and technology. Nicole Onappuman said to become first Native American woman in space. Meta unveiled Make a Video, AI text to video generator. Cassie established Guinness World Record for bipedal robot 100-meter sprint. NASA SpaceX to study ways to boost orbit of Hubble telescope. Sky watching in October 2022, Mars changing course, Orionid meteor shower and more. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.